Good morning, guys. It's August 24, 2025. We're here at Marriott Orlando World Center. My, this is huge. They say this is the biggest Marriott hotel in the world. It's the only Marriott hotel who has its own theme park. Big slides, big pool, that kind of stuff. And it's huge. Let's go inside to the lobby, okay? As of now, there's an ongoing convention, John Maxwell Leadership Convention, which is always held here. They say, yeah, yearly. They do that yearly here. They always choose Marriott Orlando because John Maxwell lives here. That's what they say. Okay, this is the main entrance. Check out the lobby. Main lobby. Starbucks.